Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
54. Mr. Edwards and Mr. Wilson were friends. They were sitting in a train when another man came in. There was going to be an election soon, and Mr. Edwards and Mr. Wilson began talking about politics. Mr. Edwards supported the Labour Party strongly. Suddenly the third man began to argue with Mr. Edwards. He supported the Conservatives. They argued for a long time, and then Mr. Edwards said, "Well, I can't make you change your mind, and you can't make me change mine, so let's have an agreement. I won't vote for the Labour Party, and you won't vote for the Conservative Party. Then we'll be able to stay at home comfortably, and nobody will lose anything." The other man agreed. They all got out at the same station, and Mr. Edwards drove Mr. Wilson home in his car. "That's the 15th person I've made that agreement with," he said to him. Find out the best title for the story.
If you find it good and useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.